We're at U-Haul in Ottawa right now, and we're picking up our truck and trailer. We're headed down to Kingston to pick up our GC8 we bought sight unseen for 200 bucks. Should be good. Look at the mass confusion going on here today.
He looks happy. This is our rig. Alright, we got the truck.
Finally.
We're on the road finally. It only took 2.5 hours to get the lady to do the paperwork for the truck. And now a little 2-hour drive to Kingston.
So? Yeah. You happy?
Oh, the clutch is a little soft here.
Oh yeah.
There's no rust in the...
Nice. Nice.
Well,
nice.
it's repaired over there.
Huh?
That's repaired.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I can cut and
It's still fairly
yeah.
clean.
No, it's perfect.
Are these are the UELs, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah. Nice.
How's it going on the race car?
I'll keep it. Keep it. It's clean.
Yeah.
Yeah. Good job.
He
Sweet.
just decided he's keeping it.
Well, we weren't sure. We weren't sure what the condition was going to really be, you know?
Good.
Nice.
Straight.
Okay, come out.
Guys, push here.
Yeah, good idea.
Bumper's definitely a little rusty.
Huh?
The bumper, it's a bit rusty, but you're gonna put a new one anyways.
Lightweight. GM.
Everything on this car are gonna get replaced. Except the taillights, those are clean.
Huh?
They're clean.
I'll put some GDM ones.
Clear? Yeah.
Oh yeah?
What's your plan for the car?
STI swap the thing and maybe some wheel tubs and 207 for the engine and a lot of custom shit.
Road car or race car?
Street car, race car.
Unhooking the trailer, back the truck in. Get the engines, and we'll be good.
The fine people at U-Haul prepare these vehicles for the customers so well.
There's not enough good things to say about U-Haul. So this is a $200 Subaru Impreza GC8. Came with a 1.T that's not installed. It was originally turquoise, now it's black. And it's pretty clean. And it's gonna become a STI someday. There's no rust on the A-pillars or the roof. There's some repair here, but that's all gonna get cut out and replaced. There's a little bit of rust on the trunk, but probably get replaced. What do you think about it?
It looks pretty good. It's way cleaner than we expected, so I mean that's a win. It's a win. That's what I think about it. It's a win. For sure. See what happens to it. Take the next one. Busy ass Magdo.
Gotta have a Magdol run.
I don't know if it's good or bad.
That's innovation right there.
Cheeseburger storage.
Ugh. Dégueulasse.
It's my burger holder.
Back pocket. Made it to our spot.
Made it.
Hammer it. Yeah, go, 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 go. Yes, perfect. Get the car pushed off the trailer. Small drove it off. Runs mint. JK.
So we made it to the depot, and yeah, we got the motor dropped back into the car, though we're not sure it's the right compartment.
Fire it up.
Woo! Oh yeah! Yes! Overheating a little bit.